Hello guys, so sorry for the late start here, like I had kind of issues here with my setup again with TraderWeight. Basically had to rearrange everything once again. I would kind of love to take this long here, but I'm still waiting here, like I need to set up everything right now. I kind of like, it annoys me a bit, to be honest. Yeah, really does annoy me here. Would love to long here, but I'm still like needing to set up everything. This looks juicy here. Actually might gonna try this long now. I kind of missed it here. Like this was probably the long to take here, but I'm fine. Like staying disciplined here is kind of more important. Very unfortunate. Makes me kind of mad to miss this long here, but nothing I can do about it now anyways, so. It's fine, I guess. It's fine, I guess. I still need to like set up everything here. This was the long to take here, probably. I also don't have level 2 yet this month, so that's also kind of sucks. Let's see where we go here. But it's good, like just staying patient here, really. So we have a new month, so this is like last month's profile here, still to the left. So basically the volume profile from last month here. Last week, I think. Last week, I guess. Or yesterday even. Like, I don't know. Weekly, yeah. Last week. So we have last week's profile here. So this is obviously this week's profile starting here. But yeah, this week basically hasn't really started yet. So can't really take this all too serious yet. So obviously wanna be looking mostly at the 4000 tick chart here, which I do have on the top here, but I also need like some more stuff here. I need some more stuff here. Hope you all had a great weekend. I am trying to not stress myself here right now. So now I'm also kind of, you don't see that bottom left of my screen, but I'll move my camera in a second somewhere different so you guys can see it as well. So I will be having a 30-second kind of profile and 30-minute chart. So I'm gonna move my camera up here, I guess. Make it a little bit smaller for you guys. So yeah, I would also love to have a 30-second chart somewhere as well. Gonna need this. Or actually, like, I'm not gonna touch a 30-second chart right now because that just leads me to overtrading. Anyways, so let's see, we're at point of control now. I don't have level 2 yet. I need to get level 2 here. I need to get level 2 here as well. So we did grab all the liquidity below 80. Let's see if we can make a new high on this push now. We are attempting. I really need level 2 data. I think I'm gonna just real quick get the level 2 data here. Because I really can't trade without it. I just gotta check that you guys. I do like you guys, but I'm still have to hide my credit card information. can't put it on stream here. So if we get market depth CME. Oh, I'm kind of struggling here. Thinking about maybe shorting this. It's trying at 85 here. I'll just get I'm gonna get my market depth first. I need to see where the liquidity is at and stuff. Kind of rejecting here again. This is a good short here, probably. I missed it now, but it's fine, I guess. Like, don't mind missing this. Don't mind at all missing this short here. Let's see, I want to obviously show you guys. Sorry for the inconvenience here with all this stuff. The thing is, I was recording a video earlier, and because I was recording a video, I changed my OBS a little bit. Now everything is like kind of messed up here. So we had this low note here of today's value area, but I think this might come down further here. I'll just wait here. I'll just wait. Gonna be patient. We could also kind of reverse here as well. Let's see if we do find buyers here. Hallo MF, guten Tag. Sorry, jetzt erst den Chat offen. Jetzt erst den Chat offen, leider. So. Ich sollte jetzt eigentlich Level 2 data haben. So I just got level 2 data. This is holding at 82.50 here. Might want to try this long for another leg here. It's looking good. It's looking good for another leg higher here. But like I said, I kind of wanna wait till I see my level 2 data here. So yeah, I kind of I'm disconnecting this again. Like the trader weight connection just doesn't work, by the way. I think you might need to get the add-on, like to be able to. I don't know. Like now I'm getting the rhythmic just. And we probably have another leg in this. So let's see now if we have level 2 data now. Market. Yeah, nice. We have level 2 data now. So that's awesome. Just gonna adjust this a little bit. So where are we looking at? I'm looking at 90 right now, so this probably should push towards 90. And then I want to see what happens at 90 here. Really, like, can we see it get through 90? Oh, we're at 87.50s here. It should go close to 90 at least here. Let's see. 88.50 here. But it's fine, I guess. Like, still think this has room. So maybe should hold here at 86.25s here. If it wants to go higher. Okay, now we're at 86.25 here, so kinda here it should hold. If it doesn't hold here, like maybe that's it. But around here it should kinda hold here. But it's not really holding. Still trying to be patient here. Now we see some buyers come back in here. I'm longing this here. I'm longing this for this was a pretty big pivot off of the point of control here in 85, so with big buying. So I'm longing this for a test of a break of 90 at least. Yeah, scheiße. So. Doesn't really look good for me, to be honest. Probably gonna get stopped out here. But I need to be patient and kind of respect my stuff. Okay, it was a close one, so it didn't stop me out here. Now the trade looks good again. So we can't, we somehow can't break the 85s here. Now we tried twice. So now I do think this should go to 90 here. Obviously, you never know, but looking good now. Struggling here. Wanna be patient here though. I kind of top tick this range here twice, which is obviously not good for me. Yeah, this stops me out now. Even if I'm right, this stops me out because they're gonna grab this liquidity probably no matter which direction they go. But I'm respecting my stop and I'm working currently on just holding my trades. So usually I'd pull here, but I'm working on holding my trades. I want to get better at this, so yeah, that's why I'm not pulling it here. I do think you should pull it, but in the end, my trade idea why I entered still didn't get invalidated really. Crude trade ich gar nicht, also keine Ahnung. Fallendes Messer reingreifen ist immer sehr riskant. Besser immer rechte Seite vom V kaufen, grundsätzlich. Also wenn es V gemacht hat, dann auf der rechten Seite kaufen. Grundsätzlich besser als ins Messer reinzugreifen. Meistens halt. Still trying to respect this trade, but don't know. This just doesn't look good anymore. But I'm just gonna leave it alone here. Nope. I do want another 30-second chart now. I don't get this trade away low. It's so weird. Like I don't get it. Like all the time, things are resetting here and going bonkers. Like I liked Rhythmic and Ninja Trader so much more, to be honest. But the commissions are just so much better with TraderWeight, so yeah. That's basically why I'm going with TraderWeight now. But don't know, like I like Rhythmic way more. Yeah, TraderWeight von Apex. I'm probably gonna get stopped out here as well now. We have so much pivots down here, so this probably gets stop run here. So even if we go higher, did they stop run this? But I'm gonna leave it. So it's fine, I guess. Yeah, I mean the unrealized trading drawdown is not so bad if you if you're not completely over leveraging, because how much do you look to make per trade? If you want to look for winners that are around $300-400, so then it's not so bad. Like then worst case, like if your trade is up 300-400 and then it comes back against you and stops you out, and you're like 500 or so in drawdown, and you still have 2,000, for example, on the 50k. So it's still, in my opinion, better than most of the end of trade drawdown companies, because they usually have less drawdown. So you're fine, I guess, in most of the times anyways. So I don't think the trading drawdown is that big of a deal, to be honest. Especially usually for me not, because I'm more like a scalper usually. So I'm just right now working on kind of holding my trades longer and stuff like this. So, but usually I'm in and out pretty fast and scalping, so only going for like $70-80 per trade. So then the trading drawdown really isn't that bad. Does look good here, so let's see. Now this does look like it wants to blow out finally here. Looking juicy. Nice. Nice. Like that. Nice here. Nice one. Let's see if we can. I really want to see if I do think we need to go to the top of this value area first. So I do think we at least gonna stop run this top here. So the question is then if we have follow through, if we just come top tick here and fall back in. If we just top tick here and fall back in, I might cut this. But let's see. I'm gonna check for the commissions in after this trade. Like I'm gonna watch this trade and then I'm gonna check the commissions. So I don't like this here. I'm still trying to stay patient, but this was a top tick here. Moving my stop here, like yep. Move my stop to break even +1 here, like probably a bad idea. So this probably still goes. But anyways, I'm gonna check for you. This was actually very dumb here. Like it's, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna check real quick the commissions. But commissions are like a huge thing, in my opinion. I still like this trade. I shouldn't have. Why did I trade my stop? Like that was so dumb. I was really dumb here. But anyways, I'm not gonna re-enter now. So so I guess that's the news here. Here you do have all the commissions. So with where are the macros? Let's see. Macro. Macro. Here you have the Nasdaq you have with trader weight $1.04, and macro you have mini S&P 104. So basically under I made a YouTube video about commissions, and the first comment in it is the Apex link, and then there's this stuff. So if you go to my YouTube, it's like the first, I think under in like this video here, like the pinned comment. Why do I see the comments? Don't know where I see the comments here. Don't know where I see the comments, but in the comments underneath this video here. So if you go at this video, like with commissions here, in the top comment there is the Apex link for the commissions, and you gotta consider with Apex. So with Apex, Traderweight has a lot better commission than Rhythmic. Also ist mit Rhythmic besser. Ich weiß gar nicht genau. Rhythmic Commissions Apex. Siehst du, also da haben es 3,98 Commissions, also $1 mehr. Und Macro, ja stimmt, ja, du hast recht. Ja. Voll. So if you trade macros, like the Rhythmic connection is actually cheaper than the Traderweight connections, but with minis there's a huge difference. So that's kind of the third leg now. Now we're kind of at the value area high. So I would kind of like to short this here, but all this liquidity sitting here, so this is probably gonna get taken out first. So lots of liquidity sitting here. Kind of waiting yet, so kind of do like this short now. Too hesitant here. Traderweight über Ninja Trader geht noch nicht. I didn't try yet. I want to use Traderweight through Traderweight because of the volume profiles, which I really like. You get the monthly here, you can get the weekly, stuff like this, and I don't really like that. But and in general, I think Traderweight kind of looks nice. But I just gotta get used to it first, so I'm not really used to it yet. Lots of volume here. Lots of volume. Someone really... this is dropping. Probably should have shorted here in 90s. Now I do see so much liquidity up here, so that's the kind of thing. Let's see. I want to be patient here. They're really struggling. Now we did grab this pivot here just by a tick, so this is of this micro range here, I guess. Bottom tick of this range here. So gotta be careful now, this could come to the top again. I also wanted like my 30-second chart here. If I open the chart now here, and it's so annoying, and everything is gone again. I'm gonna wait here. Like, I'm being patient. So we're kind of ranging here. And you don't want to short in the middle of this range. So I do think it's gonna come to the top again. Also, we have so much liquidity sitting here. And we do see sellers come back in. But not really big sellers anyway. I'm not pulling the trigger here yet. So kind of waiting here. Mostly we do have mostly still oh, that was kind of interesting here. Still waiting. I low-key still think that they kind of wanna take out the highs, yep. So that's what I'm kind of scared of here. So let's see here. Now we kind of top tick this range, I guess. So now you could theoretically short it. Shorting it now here. Shorting it now with a stop just above here. Could be wrong, obviously, but I do like this now. We saw this kind of top tick here and saw the first big sellers. Could very well be that they want to take out this high as well and just stop me out here. But I don't like this. Kind of need to cut this here. I'm still gonna wait patiently. Like, I'm not early cutting, trusting my trades, trusting my setups. Now it needs to break here though. Can't keep on finding a bid. I'm looking for a flush below this here, pretty much. Because I do think there's liquidity sitting below this wicks. So I kind of expected, if it does reverse here, to kind of take this out at least. Yeah, no, it doesn't look good. So I shouldn't have found a bid down there, really. So I need to get out here probably, but I'm respecting my trade. So that's usually the things where I just would pull it because it looks really bad for me right now. But that's the thing I'm working on right now. So if I place my trade, I need to trust it. So okay, I'm not pulling it. Even though this looks horrible, but I'm not pulling it. Like that's what I'm working on right now, so I need to focus on that as well. I still think it kinda should get the liquidity below here. Maybe I'm gonna put this just 2 ticks below here. Okay, so let's not ask for too much, but I'm gonna ask here for a flush below this wicks. So now we got kind of the first like below this wick. So here could be it could be it here. So right now I would be okay with maybe pulling it if I see something that strongly tells me that we're going the other way. But in general, overall, like I think we still need to take out this liquidity below here. So I'm still trusting it here. I like how we kind of really put volume in here. So we're not bottom ticking this, we're just hammering volume in here. So this is still fine. But I kind of want to, like, now I see still a lot of buying here. So that's not the best sign, but it's getting absorbed, which is then again kind of good. So that's what you want to see here. Now that's not really what you want to see. So think about pulling it here. Yeah. Again, pulled too early. I can't. But yeah, I just overmanage my trades. Really, that's kind of bad here. But we kind of saw this bottom tick here on the auction we stir. So we saw all this absorption, and then once we broke, we kind of just saw it, boop, boop, and we saw buyers come in. So don't know. Didn't look the best, but that's again like probably, yeah, that was again probably like over trading and. Thing is, I can't take this off here. So if I'm going for a bigger move, like I'm again just more mouse. I'm again just thinking of the. Yeah, it's a slow day because tomorrow's like holiday, but still, like I shouldn't have taken this trade off here because I was looking for a bigger play. So I was looking for a play from here down here, at least below this wicks here. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I have to accept my stop and for what it is and my risk, and I just can't overtrade and get chopped up here. Or I need to take it right down here, like in this, as earlier, like in this consolidation, take it off here. Like if I see something. Geil, geil. Ja, hoffentlich geht Crude richtig rauf für dich. Ja. Hoffentlich gibt Crude Gas. Thinking about re-entering my short here. I'm re-entering my short here if I do get a fill. Okay, I got a fill on my short here. So I'm re-entering my short here for the same trade idea. And I think the same price I got out at. Like 1 tick higher. I really need to hold these trades. Trying to get out here for break even. Out for break even here. Don't know, like this. Like this. Once again, like I don't know, like it should. I kinda mid pivoted the range here. Shit. That's why I should have helped my short here. No, not really. Like, I used to trade it a bit, but it's. I don't know. I like ES more. I looked at the ES more. Spent more time on the ES. That's why I kind of trade ES. We saw big buying here at this kind of bottom tick. Looks like it wants to come in here. It's probably gonna go to 82 here. Yeah. Just more patience again. More patience. No yet. I still think it needs to grab this liquidity below here. Yeah, no, it did. So at this point, I'm no longer sure. Like at this point, it could go all the way, but now it's also, yeah, this was exactly what I was looking for, but I was impatient like always. So kinda here this rejection and this liquidity grab just below this wicks. So this is exactly where we went. Could go further, but right now I wouldn't no longer be in it, and I wouldn't trust it that much. So I just need to trust my trades and hold them, like really, like I'm so impatient. Are we really finding buyers here? This might be a good long setup here. Looks really good for a long. If you're long here now, that it's looking really awesome. Like we did grab this liquidity below this wicks, and now we're kind of reversing. So looks very good if you're in a long now. Kind of missed it, but it's fine. Lots of selling here, but they didn't like do Momo house. Sorry, my dog. Lots of heavy selling here. The 87s. But the bit just taking them. So let's see. If I just held my two trades, like the one here, I wanted to take to 90, which it did get exactly. And the one here down, wanted to take below these pivots exactly. So I just need to trust myself really, like not just pull them. Now I don't really know what to do here. Like I'm staying patient for now. Would buy maybe a pullback to 85s here. But this is too overextended here for me. I do think we're going for another leg higher here at this point. But I can't chase this. Can't chase this. Now let's see. Oh, it just had here 88s. So let's see if we top tick this pivot, or if we see follow through. If we top tick this pivot, I might short. Now we're at this high. Now do we see a top tick or like? The bid is there. Not shorting here. The bid is no fall no. Could try it here. But the bid is kind of strong. So I don't really want to short this. Now this is what I like to see. Now like seeing all these sellers here, like now I kind of like this short. Let's see, obviously could be wrong here, but I kind of like this now. Could be wrong, obviously here, like not the best trade, but I do think it's worth a shot at least. I do think it's worth a shot. Let's see here. I don't like how it's stalling here though. Now finding a bit. So kind of thinking about pulling my stop in here just above this wick. But I'm trying to respect it for now. I think this is a good short here. Like I really do. Like the top ticket we saw big sellers. Like I do like this short. Yep, now we're going. Now we do need to watch 85s. Like it could reverse at 85 if it does them out. Let's see how we do at 85s here. We can't even get to 85s here. I do need to see more selling pressure here. I'm out here. Probably again not the best exit, but whatever. Don't know. Like I don't like. Yeah. Yeah, good thing I got out here. Yeah. Thing was we didn't even on this push we didn't even get to 85, so we had above it, so we started absorbing the 86. So that's what I really didn't like about this trade. Yeah, longs are defending. Now we see the push. Yeah, good thing I got out here. Ooh, interesting. Oh, Matt re-enter the shots, yeah. Trying to get in again in the shot, yeah. Didn't get a fill. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no, I did get in. So nice, I did get in. I did get my fill. Huh. So I did get my fill here. Yep. Now I do look for a break of 85s here. So if we break 85, this has room to go. Let's see. Can we break 85s? We're holding 85s here. Back to 86. Giving them one more shot to break 85 here. Can they break it? We still see selling into it. The buying is getting absorbed here, but I'm trying to hold this here. So the offer's strong here. Like now the sellers need to push below 85 for me to stay in this. They can't. I'm getting out. Don't know. I think the exit was fine. So they just couldn't break 85s. And we have the volume point of control at 88 here. I don't know where. Not 88, 87 here. Now we have the VPOC here. Staying patient. Now I'm kind of over trading again here. So I need to kind of control myself here a little bit. So a little bit over trading here at this point, I guess. Yeah, good so far. Text was fine. Now I really do think we need to get to the top of the range and play kind of break higher here. Also, not break, but at least test higher here at this point. So I did get the point of not point of control. Just on my down because I updated it later, I think. Oh, aggressive selling off of VPOC here. Once again, I just need to hold my trades for sake. No, not really. I wouldn't consider this a break of 85s yet. So now this is interesting. Like, look at all this big buying here. So lots of big buying here on the kind of bottom tick of 85s here. So this is a pretty clean long, I guess. So now I'm kind of really tempting to long here. I kind of want to wait for a pullback, but it seems like we're not getting any. Now let's see. Now I'm very tempted to long here. Waiting what happens now at 85. Is this big buyer still here? Longing here. Ah, shit. Ah, that was a trap. Ah, Jesus. Entry wasn't the best, probably, but it's fine. Like, I'm playing this big buyer here, which kind of really like to defend the 85s. And then he kind of absorbed here. But I don't know if he's still there. Hard to tell. Right now I don't see him here. This doesn't really look good here. I need to cut this. I low-key don't want to because I want to respect my stops and stuff like this, but it really seems like he's no longer there. The offer's so strong as well. Trying to get out here. Can I get my fill for suck's sake? Obviously, like I didn't get my fill. Well, now I don't need. I wanted to cancel. Yeah, obviously, like. Oh, Jesus. I kind of wanted to cancel it, but Anyways. Jesus. But again, just jumping back into this over trading mindset here, which is not good. I should have just kept my stop on, respected the trade for what it is. But somehow I can't do that. Because I can't hold trades. Because I don't like money. Jesus. Oh, big selling now into the lows. We're gonna break this probably. Ooh. Why do we have another? This is probably not a stop. This goes lower. So at least kind of wants to take out 82.25 here, in my opinion. Oh, kind of waiting here. It needs to go. Oh, 82.25 here. Maybe then I consider longing it. Here, no way I'm longing this. Also on the prior weekly profile here, we have low notes here at 81s. We have on today's profile here low notes at 81s. So 81 would make sense here. Anna. Na. I still don't really want to long it before we break 81.50 here. Like, I kind of like to see this. I mean, it could be wrong and this could be the bottom here, because obviously we took out this pivot, but I don't think I have really edge here. So for me, in my style, I would like to see it to come to 81 here. That would make sense for me. Kind of thinking of shorting here, to be honest. Let's see, 85s now. But I'm kind of like a short here, actually. Like, I really do. I'm trying it here. Trying short 85s. If I do get a fill here. So I got filled here. And I'm targeting like this. Like I'm pulling this one tick in here. The 82.25s here. I really kind of think it wants to go here. Just makes sense to me. We have this curve here, this curve, so this is a mid pivot kind of this curve. We do have a lot of confluence here in the 81.50s here. So, and we have probably a lot of liquidity sitting below this pivot here. So for me it would make a lot of sense for price to come down here before it goes higher, if it goes higher at all. So yeah, that's why I'm taking this trade. That's why I'm liking this trade. And even if I'm wrong here, so let's say I'm wrong and we do go through the middle here, and if we do trade through the middle to 86.25s here, then I'll try to get out at break even. So that's my game plan for this trade. If we trade to 86.25s here, I'll try to get out at break even. And if we're holding the 85s here, holding the trade to 82.25 here. And now this time I'm really holding it. Not like the previous times where I had the good trade ideas but wasn't able to hold them. So now I'm like really holding it. Gotta stay patient here. The only thing is the 85.25 here has been tested so many times that I do think it's gonna get stop run here. So that's kind of what the scary thing is about this trade. Yeah, so this is probably gonna get stop run here, 85.25s now. It's been tested too many times. Like this is the, I don't know, like 10th or 11th test here. Now we kind of stop around this. And do we see it immediately fall back in here? If this finds a bid, I need to pull this trade. Okay, I said 86.25. So if we go to 86.25, then I'm pulling it. Close to break even. We're really finding a bid here. But I'm waiting. Like, I'm sticking to my game plan on this trade now. But this like really does look strong here. This looks strong. Like, no, we did get there. 86. Not quite 86 yet. 86. So I'm still good unless we trade through 86.25. Then I'm pulling it at break even. We just got to 86, so I'm still kind of fine, but yeah. Ooh, no, that's like awkward. Like we have both big sellers and buyers here. Now let's see if we do get this push down to the 82.25s here. Now we do see a lot of volume come in, so I do like that. I do really like that. Lots of selling pressure here. Gosh, I want to pull this so bad, but I need to hold my trades. So let's see if we can break this low here. 83 here. Test back to 85 is still fine, but I just don't want to see it break above 85s now. No, I don't like this. Especially not if it holds there. Pulling it here. Pulling it for break even. I guess the pull was fine. Maybe I should have. So the pull for break even I think was fine, because you really wouldn't have liked to see it come up again above 85s here. But I guess maybe I could have taken profit, but I think overall it was fine. I'm holding this. Maybe, I don't know. Now it's probably gonna come all the way here. We're also kind of filling up and maturing this bell curve. If you watched yesterday's video from FatCat about maturity of bell curves, volume profile, like with trading around the 86s here, so we're kind of filling up the slow nodded area here finally a little bit on the daily. Lot of chop here. Looks good here. If you're long, still looks healthy. So you can't see this, but kind of breaking out of this channel on the 30-second chart. Starting to break out of this channel on the 30-second chart. I do think a test of the high would make sense again. So kind of looking what happens at around 90 here. Kind of rejecting off of this volume point of control here. But some resistance is to be expected there, I guess. But it really didn't have. We even kind of top ticked it. So I'm maybe looking for a short entry. But, too late. Yeah, too late here. Good shot here after VPOC if you're in it. I was a little bit slow and hesitant. Lots of big selling here. Now VPOC shifted again, so pretty much VPOC is fighting between those two areas. We have a very interesting bell curve today. Like, don't really know where fair price is. It's either this node here or that node. So we don't have really any really fair price, I guess. Trying to get a short fill here, 85.75s here. Okay, in it. Oh, I don't have LCO here. Don't know why I don't have LCO here. Because it's the other chart. So I entered here I entered this trade on my 30-second chart, which is on the other screen, which you guys don't see. And I didn't have LCO or order set there. Liking this trade less now. Really needs to hold 86.25s here. If it breaks, then like probably comes to this VPOC here again. Probably goes higher. Not the best entry here either, like if you look at this range. I mean, I don't like it that much, this trade anymore. But I kind of don't want to pull it either here. Because it could still be... I need to see what happens at 87 here. Now we're getting there. Now what happens here? We really rejected the 87s here, so that's good for now. So I'm still liking this trade. We did reject 87s pretty hard here. I don't really want to see this come again to 87s here. This kind of should go now. Now this low node at 86.25s here. So this kind of should hold to the downside. Don't really want to see this break to the upside again, which it does. So I don't like this trade. I really don't. Jesus. Should probably pull it. I'm pulling this trade. No. And the VPOC has shifted higher again. Now let's see if we want to push the highs here. Looks like it. This could be a top tick here, but I'll wait. I want to see something clear. Like this should. Now twice. And they probably want to blow out this. Maybe they take this liquidity first, but I do think they want to blow out the 88.75C at least once. They're getting there. See if they're still hitting. Big buyers hitting. I do think they want to blow this out here, but let's see if there's any follow through. There's not. There's actually none follow through here. This is kind of crucial here. So this is probably the lots of liquidity here. I still do think like the 89s should be blown out at least once. They were tested so many times. So I do think they need to blow out here before we can reverse. I'm not sure. Oh, heavy selling here. I still think, like, I really do think they. Just looking at this, I really think like 89s need to. That could be wrong as well here. Maybe that's it for the pullback. For the. Maybe we don't see it, but. And it's just reverses without me here. But don't know, like, if it reverses without me, I'm okay with that. What I'm looking for is a puke. Maybe now. Let's see. Let's see if we can get this puke now. No, it does look like it. I need to see this puke. Like just a pew. Give it to me. They're just defending this relentlessly. But don't know, like, I'm not trusting this for a shot yet. I need to see this blow out to the top. To have a good place for my stop. Lots of selling pressure here though. Hopefully now we get it. Wanna be patient here. Need to be patient. I wanna see the blowout of 89s here. Give it to me now, please. Like nobody is hitting the 88.75s here. Nobody's hitting. There's so much stops here, I think. No. Come on. Nope. Falling back in once again. And now we're finding a bit. No more sellers here. So this looked like it wants to break now, finally higher. Now we do find sellers again, but now the bid is holding. I could actually play this for a break long here as well. But it's dangerous. I much rather play it for the short once we fall back in. We're still not getting it. No, I missed the trade. But I'm fine with missing this, I think. No, we're going short. Okay, we didn't get it, so unfortunate. So very unfortunate. So the short idea there was okay, I guess, but I was waiting for a break and then a fall back in, which we didn't get, so it's fine. So I missed the trade. But I don't really want to short it here because I still think they need to take this out. Or maybe now is even a long opportunity here, to be honest. The way the mean pulled this back in. Trying to get a long fill here. So filled here. I'm looking for the break now of 90s. That was probably, I don't know if it was a bad trade. Like, The entry wasn't the best. The trade idea is still valid, I think, because I do think they need to blow this top out. Also, the way we rejected the bottom and came back into the range, so wasn't the best place to enter, I guess. So probably the worst place to enter. So this mid roll here. Not liking this. But let's see. Jesus. This is a bad trade here. If you do break this, I'm getting out on the first pullback. So I don't want to put my stop there because I don't want to get wicked out. But if we break it 86.25's hard, I am getting out on the pullback. So let's see here. Let's see. Like, I kind of like this trade. I like it because of something on the 30-second. But then again, like, I shouldn't trade the 30-second. I wanted to trade bigger stuff. So I shouldn't have probably gotten into this trade to begin with. But I guess it's still fine. I just kind of think they want to stop run the 89s here. And the stop run of 89. And we have the next at 89.50, then one at 90. So this could like a stop run of the 89s here, like could kind of give us a fast push up here. So that's what I kind of look for. And why I got in was on the 30-second chart, because we broke down, but then we immediately reclaimed to the middle. So, but don't know, like, I just think, let's see now. I just think a stop run of 89s is so likely here. And this stop run of 89s could bam, bam, bam. Also, I see like 3 here stops, then 89.50 has stops, and then 90 has stops. So this could just bring us to 90.50 real quick on just one push. So that's what I'm looking here for. And I do think it's very likely to happen. Will it happen? I don't know. Like, we will see now. Let's see. If there are big sellers again here, like, don't know, like. Now the bid is taking them. The offer still there, still strong. Big sellers also still there. I think about pulling this. Let's see, giving it one more chance. You know, it's just not going. I guess should have pulled it here, I guess. But I really want to respect my stops, and I want to respect my trade at the. Just regret that my entry was so bad. It's not going. Don't want to tilt here though. I want to stay patient. I'm staying patient, like. It's not easy to sit through this long of a trade, but just regret the bad entry, like should have been more patient on my entry. But it is what it is. Let's see. Let's see now. I do expect them to. I still like my trade idea overall. Like, I still like the trade idea. I still think they want to stop around the 89. 89s here, which leads. I can't big selling here. It's just so painful to sit here and watch this trade. I'm in it for 15 minutes now. This is just so painful, but I need to learn this. Like, that's what I'm working on, so it's fine, I guess. So now maybe no, like, I don't know. Just show me that you want to do it. There are no buyers here. Well, another bit is taking all the selling here. So now for the first time the bid took all the selling at the highs. So maybe now. This kind of looks good. That we finally get the stop run here. So this looks very good now. Very good here on the DOM. I do want to see this break. Yep. And now we're seeing big buying here. Do we see follow through here? Now this has to just snap. 89's here. Now it's gonna be crucial. Yeah, now reclaim here. That's looking good. Now we do see the snap here. And was this everything? Maybe it was. I can't endure it any longer. Holding this trade. So we just top ticked it by one tick. So just the 89.25s here. So we did get the top tick, which I was playing for and waiting for 15 minutes here for this trade. And we didn't see follow through, so. So I think the pull was fine here because we did get this top tick. So, and it didn't lead into a liquidation here of shorts, which basically I was looking at. So I was looking if this break here of the 89s leads to a liquidation of the 89.50s and then of the 90s. So I thought, okay, maybe this top tick here leads to a mass liquidation of shorts and possible a short squeeze here. But it didn't, so it just top ticked by one tick here and then reversed. So yeah, that's why I put the trade here. So the trade was kind of fine, I guess. The entry was just awful, to be honest. So I entered it. I'm gonna show you. Oops. I'm gonna show you why I entered it on the 32nd. I usually have it on a different screen here, but I'm gonna show you guys here. So basically why I entered was because we saw all this tops here, okay, kinda, and I thought, okay, these tops here kinda need to be stop run before we can reverse, okay, like at least by a tick. And then we had this range here, and we broke this range, but we came back into the middle of the range and traded here. So at this point I thought this range here, okay, is gonna hold, and we're gonna test the other extreme of it. So basically this, okay. And since we had all this here, like I thought, okay, if we test the other extreme here, we could see a short squeeze here. And if you look left, like on 89.50 here, we have another couple of wicks here. So if we see a squeeze here, this could squeeze the 89.50s, which could squeeze the 90s, the high of day. So I was basically looking for, because we kind of had this range here built, and then we broke it, and then we came back in and didn't mid pivot right away, so we held in the middle. So I figured, okay, we probably gonna see a test to the other side of this range here again, okay. Yeah, that's why I entered. I should have waited for, I shouldn't have entered in the middle. I should have waited for a pullback to somewhere here. But yeah, I guess it's fine. And then what I was looking for was the break here and then a kind of short squeeze higher. But we didn't get the short squeeze. We just got a top tick here and then it fell back in. So that's why I pulled the trade for only one tick. So I think the execution was fine. Also, the entry wasn't fine. So the trade idea was fine. I like the trade idea. But I should have waited for the bottom of somewhere. Got in somewhere around here. 87.50s here. Like, not getting here. Like, this was too high. Like, today is so tight of a range, so it's kind of awful to trade anyways, but well, basically, that was what I was kind of looking for here. I'm now seeing this top tick. We're probably gonna test the other side of this range again. So now we're probably coming back down here. I mean, I still think these are potential targets here, which I'm not sure, so don't know. But I wouldn't like bet on it right now. So this top tick here is not the best sign if you want a long, in my opinion. So seeing this top tick here and then shoot down. Don't know. Like right now, I'd rather be short here. And if you look at the tape, the big selling tape is also all red here. So don't know. Like I would want a short here, to be honest. Not long, but do whatever you want, I guess. I'm gonna put the 30-second here. It really doesn't make sense today to trade on the now 89s again. Maybe now we do get this squeeze here. I don't know, like I think this has such a good potential to squeeze here, but I'm still okay with cutting this trade, I guess. Lots of big selling here. Boo, now the offer's just pulling away. Now we probably do get the squeeze. Yeah. Big buying here. That is not a top yet, in my opinion. I think this was kind of hanging around there for too long. Could long here, maybe. Maybe. Don't know. Really thinking about longing this. I'm trying. Ah, shit. I don't know how to do this. Huh? Don't know what happened now. Like, okay, no. Good then. Exited accidentally because I wanted to put a stop on. But I'm just not so familiar with the straightaway tone here. The S is really boring, like today. It's almost like trading bonds here. Ooh, lots of buying. Boom. Oh, we do get this break. Yeah, sucks. I'm looking at looking at the Q now. Having a look at the Qs here. Qs are kind of tanking. Qs ain't doing so well. Qs are like really, Qs are actually pushing lower of day here. Fun thing here. I'm trying to get short on the S now. You guys don't see this right now. Trying to get a fill. 88.50s here. Didn't film yet. Okay, now I'm in it. Short the S here. Oh, Jesus. Why? Because I don't know. It just feels right. Now the thing is like, doesn't look all too good here. Nice. Probably wasn't the best. But I kind of still like it, so just kind of looks like it's getting weaker and weaker. I don't really want to see trade above 90 or I'm out, but let's see. So if we do trade above 90, I'm considering pulling this. But until then, I'm fine with this trade here. I'm gonna be looking at the Qs as well here. The thing is that the Qs and the ES are so far apart here. So it's basically either the Qs pushing again now, which they do, or the ES dropping. I mean, I can put this to like 1 minute here, so on the bottom left, so that you can see it a little better, I guess. So I'm short one yes contract here at 88.50. Targeting the 84s here. Let's see if the Qs are... Oh, Jesus. It's such a mess here with the trader weight. I think I want to get out of this trade. I'm trying to hold it like but this is just looking so strong here. We still see buying here. See a lot of liquidity up here. Trying to cut this. Cut it. I'm just so impatient. Now we're taking, obviously. Re-entering here. Trying to re-enter. Got a fill here. Don't really know why I re-enter, I guess. I still think this trade has huge potential. But I also need to be able to hold it for all of that. And at this point, like, I do think they want to stop around the 90s. But I could be wrong as well. Oh, nice, the Qs are breaking down here. Nice. Now this is what I kind of like to see here. And also for the yes. I don't know, like maybe I should start trading the Qs. Just don't have volatility in the yes. So I'm short bond contract here at 89.25s. So if Qs like keep dropping, I do expect the S to kind of follow. If Qs like just need a Q storm here. Oops. So I don't really like this. Oh, I do like this on the Qs here. Like this does look nice. Also for my ES trade, this does look juicy now. I don't like the reclaim for my ES trade here. Now this really does look bad for my ES trade. Considering getting out here maybe. But I'm gonna bring my stop in now a little bit here. This doesn't look good. And let's see. So Qs are kind of breaking down here. But ES is still holding the highs, having a strong bid at the highs. So don't like that much. Ooh, like I'm getting out here. Trying to get out of my ES trade here. Break even. Thinking about getting back in here. I'm getting back in, trying to get back in on my yes trade. Back in. DS is just holding such a strong bid here. The 89s. But the Qs are looking so weak, so oh, like, don't like that. Trying to get out for break even once again here on my ES trade. And out for break even. I know I'm taking a lot of paper cuts here, but I'm waiting. It's kind of chill now. Can always get back in. Now the Qs are also breaking. Now this does look like So Q's tried but couldn't. ES tried but couldn't. Q's are still trying here, in my opinion, to break a new high. Now I kind of want to get in the S trade as well. RQ's failed here to make a new high, just top ticked it. Ooh. Oh, yes, trying here. The Qs are completely breaking down. Trying along here on the Qs, just because the S is looking so strong and wants. Oh shit. Didn't really notice that I don't have a AOCO set here once again. But the S is like looking like it wants to break out, so giving the Qs one more try here. Off. I'm gonna put our sell stop trailing as a here, just in case we're not breaking out here. Looks kind of off for now. Doesn't look like it wants to stop me out here. Obviously. I didn't have my. Re-entering here low. Still does look to me like ES wants to take out the 90s and Qs are just way too low. See. That looks good. Now I do want to see the S push with it as well here. Can we see a push on the S here too? Yeah, we can. That looks juicy. Well, let's see if we can break this. If not, I'm just out here taking what I can get. Maybe should have held it. Yeah. Anyways, it's fine, I guess. You can never know. Big selling coming in here. Does anyone of you guys use TraderWeight and kinda knows how to save a full-on like layout with multiple open TraderWeight windows like I have here? Like still strong buying at 90 here. If any one of you kind of knows, I'd appreciate it, obviously. Trying to get a long fill here again on the Qs. Because he has this pushing highs again. Qs pulled back as well. Let's see if we can get another leg in it. I wanna see yes, break here to the upside. It's trading the highs. Struggling here. Thinking about pulling my stop loss in here. Okay, now bringing my stop in here. Now it should rip here. Wanna see it break this high? Can it break it? I'm struggling and pulling it. I just pulled it 1 second too late. Maybe shouldn't have pulled it at all. Who knows? So. Should have really held it. I guess you can always say this, like this breakout of this range is gonna be massive. We had a very huge range here, basically. So yes, it's also pushing highs. But I'm done for the day, I think. So I'm about break even today, which is fine. If I would just hold my trades to target and stop, I would do a lot better. But that's what I'm working on right now. So see you guys tomorrow.